Well, hello, it's Bears back. I thought I'd show you what I was up to. This is the Yale I picked on Stock Lock Sunday. I was curious about the pins that were in it. So what I did is I ground this top down just enough to where you could just barely see the little rings. And then I just poked those down in where the spring would pop the little caps back off. And then I tapped them out for grub screws. And the thing was, I tried to impression this a long time ago, and I just couldn't do it. And I think this is why. These are your pins down here. Now I'm changing this one out because it's really long and it had this short spring on it. So I'm putting in this new driver and spring. I messed up a couple of springs getting them out. This one was enough to save, but I had to replace a couple of springs. But these are the spools that were in there. They're like little mushrooms and long mushrooms. So that's what I'm doing. And I got the measured them, and then I put the pins in each cylinder and tried it with the depth and space keys to get the height of each pin. And so there's the pinning cuts that I'm going to cut, and we'll see when I get done how well it worked out for me. But I want to put it all back close to original because it was a fun pick. And if I ever wanted to, I could always make it into a challenge lock. So, okay, I'll be back when I get the key cut, and we'll go from there. Okay, we've got our key cut. Our grub screws are in. All our pins are in. Works perfectly. A little sticky on the key, but so now gonna drop our spring in inside, and look at what we got here. Okay, that matches up. See, the holes match up. So this part comes. Now you gotta keep that turned to drop this in. Doggone it. Okay, we'll do it that way then. You have to get you have to get just this bolt in right there. I gotta get it over right in there, and get this slide bar in here. There it goes. It goes down in, and then your cover goes over, and there you go. I just gotta drive my pins in, and she's done, guys. So just thought I'd let you know what I was up to. So yeah, let's try that again. Yep. Nice. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to go put these pins in, and stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye. That's it, guys. Pins are in. She's done. And perfect operation. Bye.